You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. There are indeed different pronunciations. If you want to learn more vocabulary like this one, stay tuned, I've got many more videos for you. So, in Norwegian or Swedish, it's pronounced as Joar, Joar, Joar. Now, in English, it's normally pronounced as Joar. There is also a French pronunciation. If you're looking at how to pronounce the name of this jewelry, it's pronounced Joar in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.